There's some modern witchcraft like I've never seen. One moment we was dancing naked on a city street. The next thing that I know, we're washed up on a beach in a broken spell. Broken spell. Now the night can hold some magic, potent and intense, plenty full amusement for you and all your friends. But the moon can sink so low, where the light goes hard to tell in a broken spell. Now do you feel above the law? The law of gravity. Do you feel? I see you're still smiling, but you're missing teeth. We almost lost our minds, sampling the many treats, tempting and delicious, no responsibilities. So shine on in your youth, but wake up,